I suppose every car has its own things that happen to it. When a customer brings a car in with a problem, it's very important for us to listen carefully to what that customer's telling us. If something goes out of the ordinary, they will be the person who will know. They know how it normally feels, they know how it normally sounds, they know how it normally behaves. The mechanics start the job with the car on the ground, and they do the checks that need to be done while it's on the ground. Then it goes part of the way up on the hoist. They do the checks that need to be done at face level, I guess, brake checking and that type of thing. If the wheels need to come off, be rotated. And then the underbody stuff, the draining of the oil and changing of the oil filter and checking of all the fluid levels, all gets done with the hoist all the way up. Generally then the car gets let down afterwards, the engine gets started. Engine gets run to temperature, cooling systems are pressure tested, all part of the report that needs to be generated by servicing a car.